how to send voice note on WhatsApp. So if you want to send a voice note on your WhatsApp, either on Android or iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to send voice note on WhatsApp, is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your device. Then select the chat where you want to leave the voice note. Then let's say this is the chat. Once you selected the chat, then locate the mic icon on the WhatsApp interface itself. So if you're using an iPhone and you enable dictation on your iPhone, then you're going to have two microphone here, the one at the bottom right and the one at the middle right here. So this is for WhatsApp and this is your iPhone dictation mic. Now to leave a voice note on WhatsApp, just go ahead and click on this mic icon, then press and hold it. So you just need to slide to cancel like this, or better still, press and hold it and slide it up to lock it. Now once it locks, then you can now go ahead and leave your voice note. So you can leave as long as possible voice note depending on your choice, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on the stop button so you can just listen to the voice note and slide it up to lock it. So once you're done listening to the voice note, just go ahead and click on the send button. However, you can set the voice note to view once by clicking on this icon at the top of the send button. Then you should say voice message set to view once, or disable it and then hit the send button. Then you should see the voice note send just like this. Now the receiver will be able to read the voice note and he or she may choose to reply or not. So that is basically how to send voice note or voice message in WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.